is still out as to whether Shericka Jackson eased up in the last 20 meters of the 100-meter race in Poland, or did Sha'carri Richardson genuinely beat Shericka? Look again. Shericka had a good start, and up to 50, 60, even 70 meters, she was leading. And then right here is the bone of contention. Did Shericka ease up to cruise to the line, or did Sha'carri accelerate to breeze past Shericka and make it look like Shericka slowed down? Look from a different angle. Do you see an easing up Shericka Jackson, or a running hard Shericka Jackson who just got beat down the straight? What do you think? I know what I think. This was a single Diamond League race, not a world championship or an Olympic final. And what happened in this particular race will have no bearing on what could happen at the world championships next month. What I can say is that in this race, the American Sha'carri Richardson, not for the first time this season, ran past and beat Shericka Jackson over 100 meters. And that means here. What you see? What you see?